Student's Book, page 46. 2. Listen and check.
Good morning. How are you today, Sally?
Oh, I'm not very well. Phew! I have a cold.
And you have a cough. Do you have a headache?
Oh, yes. My head hurts a lot, and I'm very hot.
Put this under your arm. Oh, yes, 39 degrees. You have a temperature. So you must drink a lot of water and orange juice. Now, what's the matter with you, Scott?
My stomach hurts a lot, and I don't want to eat.
Do you have a toothache?
No.
I see. So you have a stomachache. Well, go to bed and don't eat any cake, candy, or chocolate today.
I think I'm okay now. Can I go and play?